excellence for you. And it reveals the hidden patterns beyond human awareness. I've been working with a project that I do the housing valuation estimation. And that brings me a lot of amaze, because we have about like 40 criteria over a house. And then one of the things, after seeing a lot of learning in the machine, we're seeing that the shape of the roof is really affect the price of the house in this decision to buy it. And I never know that. And I say that, wow, it's something new. And it's not in my awareness. Because if I were doing myself, I'm a normal, like a realty guy, I will cross it. I will not care about the roof shape, but it's really affect the price. And the predictive analytics optimize the staffing, inventory management is all what have emerging recently. And we have the revenue management system by AI also. We can do as previous data slide, we see that the pricing, dynamic pricing. And we can we can do the monitors to social media to track what's the people talking about, and we can respond to it quickly and smart. Because the AI right now is very smart, so it can compose the answer to reduce the damage from bad commands, like a 1-star rating for your property. And every time you have a 1-star rating, so you need about like 10 5 stars to cover it back. So you don't want that, and you want to talk to customer smart. And the AI for this is what I think owners will care about is the cost. And the AI as our employee, and the AI right now is becoming AGI. It's artificial general intelligence. It will be smarter than the smartest people ever, and accumulated all of your employees. It will be smarter than yourself also. So it will make great decisions. It knows about the hotels more than you know. And the AI control energy usage can sometimes help you to cut the bill of the electricity. I think the bill of electricity and the maintenance costs of your aircon is one of the big part in the bill. And the predictive scheduling reduces the labor costs without sacrificing our quality of service. And that's Hilton also do some AI and track the inventory levels and automate the reorders to minimize the waste, like predict it's consumed longer or shorter. And the AI is helping us to get more customers, serve them better, and cut our cost. And for example, like we have challenges like rising of operational costs, declining gas satisfaction, increasing competition in the area. And we will adopt the AI-powered chatbots, implement the energy and management system, launch the personalized marketing campaign using the big data. And the outcomes should be save the operational cost, increase the revenue, and enhance the satisfaction. And all of it can be done through one system. And one of the biggest difficulties of the restaurant and hotel owners is they overwhelmed by technologies. too many technologies, too many AIs, too many vendors that comes and talk about fancy words. And we need to talk to a lot of people, and we don't know which is good for us. So I will come back later with that point. But one of the things that I've been involved is robotics that can help us to cut the cost of performing boring tasks, but very important tasks like cleaning, the maintenance, and the quality assurance of the cleanliness around the hotel. I've been into the 4-star hotels in Hanh, and it was in very far province. The smell is so bad, and that you cannot know, because as a manager you're too busy with a lot of things. So you need some kind of robot to investigate your property with 1,000 rooms or a very vast area that you can not know it enough. And to enhance the guest experience through technology, we can enhance them from the front desk, from check-in to check-out, and from payments also. So we can address the need of the guests and then serve them immediately. And talking about features, I'm sharing that the future is here. Everything is here already and is improving every day with the exponential speed, with the shorter and shorter speed. So you need to adopt new technologies, and you will evolve from there. You cannot jump from 0 to 100. You have to start somewhere with 1 and 2 and then 4 and 10. And that's how you jump to 100. And the road ahead is, right now, we have all these technologies, but it's still evolving. Like a voice and gesture control of natural rooms interaction. We have the Alexa, a speaker can talk to us, and it controls everything there. But not enough. I think the thing that we need to talk is not really good experience, because we have a lot of shout from the TV, from everywhere, from people we talk together, and it causes ambiguity to the speaker. We had another company that made that speaker, so I know. And we need gestures, like we can use our hands, or it even can track our body motion. And the AI and the VR can help you when the Apple Vision is popular. Apple Vision will be popular like the iPhone today. So I will see you here in the next 10 years. And every one of you will wear something like me in the glasses and then see the information. So the AI and VR will help you in training your employees. This will change a lot in your process, since the employees must be trained and retrained every week in a new process and so on. So they need something that they can learn from. And the AI and VR is the best practice to them. And the AI can help you to get the sustainability, to achieve the sustainability by optimizing the resources, by optimizing the cost of the electricity and the cost of maintenance. And the fourth thing is the personalization at scale. That means for each of every guest. And you will have 1 million guests in your system. Talk about that. We're not talking about like 100. We're talking about millions. Because if you don't get your own guests, so Agoda and Booking will take about 15-25% of your revenue. and you have to get the guests that come directly to you. To do so, you have to have a relationship with them. And they only remember about you if you have something that they remember about them. And we can unlock the new revenue streams by upselling it, like by characteristic. Like me, I like buy some art or something. So whenever I go to somewhere else, I may buy some art or craft, something. And last but not least is fully automated by IoT or by AI hotel will be possible in the next 10 years. The robot is here. This robot is just for sewing, but must be more friendlier than this. It looks like us, like a human. I've been there. I talked to them. We are really talking, and the maker, they make the robot like a beautiful girl or handsome boy, and they do human jobs, but with no complaint. And addressing challenges, here we have too many technologies. Like I said, we have too many. That is the problem. Because meanwhile, we don't have enough. We're not good enough, but we have too many. So this is require a leader to have a vision, and strategy for it. And firstly, by awareness. I'm here to raise awareness from all of you to know about like AI, the big data, how to leverage it. And then we make the initial investment. Like we start with the scalable technologies, offer quick and achievable ROI in short time. Let's talk about like 3 months. Like after applying that for 3 months, we see that revenue is up like 10%. And that's what we need to see. And the data privacy and security, and it affects the experience. Like if I'm a guest, so if I know that I'm tracked, and I will fear. I will say that if I am tracked, I'm followed, and that doesn't make me happy. So that I think we have the GDPR and securities, and make them trust that our technology is good enough for them to trust, and it will only help you to have the better experience. And the workforce transition. Most of our HR right now is just not really high-tech skill. Not yet. They use TikTok and YouTube and Facebook a lot, but it's not technology, right? It's social network. And we need to help them to train about the new tools to work. New tools. This is the new tools for the next decade. So I think if you, the leader has the awareness, decide to invest in something, so it must come along with the workforce that really understand and leverage it the best. Everyone has a knife, but only the best chef can have the best food. So if we buy a really good knife, but you cannot have the great chef to make the good food. And action steps that I propose is, firstly, you evaluate the current operations and prepare for the technology impact opportunities. As I said, data contains opportunities and also problems. And we have to set a clear objective, like improving the guest experience, like improving from 3.5 stars to 4.5 stars. And we need to define very clear goals. And revenue growth, like 20% at the end of this year or so. And we pilot and scale the successful initiative, invest in people, and train them to use this. In my software company, I use AI, all by AI right now. And our expectation right now is 10x better. I'm not expecting something 10%. In my software company, I expect all of them work 10x more productivity. And that's how we expect in this revolution. To conclude, so I really want to share to all of us sitting here. We are managers, we are owners, we are operating the hotels or the restaurants. We must embrace the innovation because the next generation has already been online and they are naturally born with the technology. And so the technology will enhance, not replace the human touch in hospitality. It's a tool for people to use. So embrace it. And stay competitive means you have to use, because in some way you will be dwarfed by the other competitors in the area if you don't have that. And final thought is, but by combining the hospitality experience that you had in the last couple of decades with the new technology, with a right partner, so you can create the unforgettable experience for our customers. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Tai Nguyen, for your insightful views. And you all guys can contact him if you have any question. And now we will start with the presentation of 5